This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International, and they are sold through authorized dealers in the USA. The units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. They are field convertible between horizontal and downflow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The heat exchangers use aluminized tubular construction, which resists corrosion and improves heat transfer. The PRPGE14 basic units combine a single-stage 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a single-speed constant torque blower motor. They are backed by a good guarantee on the heat exchanger, but the warranty on the compressor is not as good as other brands, and the overall warranty does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure.